Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome to the channel. I'm glad you stuck around. Glad you're revisiting for this video. This video is all about Stella. So I promised you I'd introduce you to Stella, tell you all about her. This is my trusty steed, the one I travel with to all these fun places. So anyway, let's start from the front end, and I'm gonna tell you all she has. As you can see, she looks very stockish. I do that on purpose. Stella is a 2020 Road Glide. I bought her used only with about 460 miles. Only thing I've done here is the LED lights. You can see one right here. Those are LED lights. They change color when you use the blinkers, turn signals, and then they stay on white with the lights when the turn signals aren't being used. Down here I just installed this part here. The short name for it is a mustache. So anyone who has a 2020 Road Glide knows that the stock bird cage that comes with this is huge. That's all I've done on the front end. There's no other modifications. The lights are LED, so I don't have to modify that. I want to keep a classic look on her. As you can tell, I haven't changed the mirrors at all. There's some things you cannot see that are modifications, such as the WIM. The WIM is a module that allows me to connect Apple CarPlay and all that through my phone. But the most significant modification I've done so far is a stage 2. And the cam that I chose was a Screaming Eagle 498. It's an overall good cam. It gives me about 24 additional horsepower to what stock had. Put a Screaming Eagle breather on there. And if you can see down here, behind those Reinhart pipes are Reinhart headers. And then the Reinhart tips. Now these are about 3.5 inch tips. So she's pretty loud. The gas cap cover there, I just put the little skull. That usually comes plain chrome. I changed that just to give it a little extra look. This cover right here, change that. I forgot to mention also, when I did the stage 2, of course I had it tuned by Harley, dyno tuned. Those of you that don't know what that is, basically it's like putting it on a treadmill, connected to a computer, and for the modifications it has, they adjust everything from fuel to air ratio to a whole bunch of other things so she can run as efficient as possible. So I got about an extra 24 horsepower out of the stage 2, and I got I believe it was like 20 foot-pounds of torque. Now the bike, when I got it, already came with the Harley bars. These are 10-inch, and it already came with the grips. This saddle is actually an upgrade. It's called the Big Boy saddle. It's big and comfortable, and then of course I added the sissy bar. I do have a tour pack that goes back here. It hasn't been assembled yet. I got to get lights for it. So that's Stella. If you guys have any comments or questions or anything like that about Stella, please put them down in the comments. I would love to get comments, start getting some comments, get some more subscribers to the channel. All right, you guys, if you like these videos, remember to like, share, subscribe, share with people that like traveling in Florida. Love you guys. Stay safe on the road. In a few days I'll have a new video for you guys.